Hi, it's Frank Del Rio. We're out here in the city of Garden Grove to bring you an amazing townhome that's going to be an awesome deal on the market. This is the Pacific Gardens HOA community. We've got this beautiful green belt. We're gonna have a pool, clubhouse. Come check this out. Welcome home. So let me give you the layout here. This is 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. You've got 1,132 square feet of ample living space. You've got this gorgeous view out in your green belt from your living room space. This is a nice size living room. You can put the big TV right here on the wall, have maybe an L-shaped couch, or you can have some bar stools up here. Got the ceiling fan for air circulation. Here's the deal. We had tenants in this property prior, so it does need a little TLC, and that's why the price is so great. So you're gonna wanna get in on this property before it's too late. Now, this is a great townhome for first-time home buyers, those of you downsizing, and then possibly investors looking for rental investment opportunities. So you've got a lot of possibilities here. It's a cute entryway, and then you come on over here, you've got the half bathroom behind me with a nice closet space area. This goes all the way underneath the staircase, so it's really large, which is nice for storage and a bunch of other fun things. You know, we've seen people that have animals put the dog house right here, carve that out. You can actually chop this up, make it the wine cellar if you'd like, or even you can open it up and actually make this the kids' desk area, the workstation, right? For those of you that are gonna be working and doing homeschool. So you've got a lot of possibilities there. And then you got the kitchen space. We're standing on tile flooring. It's a nice open kitchen. You've got room for your refrigerator here, a lot of natural light, cabinetry, and I love the breakfast bar area because mostly townhomes are very compartmentalized. That's not the case here. It has more of an open feel, and we've seen some of the other units actually remove this upper cabinetry space here to make it even bigger. Totally up to you. I love all of the natural light, especially it leads you out to your patio area. Come check this out. So out here, you have so much room. You can put in a little garden on this side. You can make a canopy, so this way you have some shade. We've seen some owners put in a nice spa. What I love about it is the privacy that you have here, plus the natural light that bleeds into the front of the house, back of the house, as well as that front window we talked about, which is awesome. And then check this out. You have your direct garage access. This is a 2-car garage. Look at the space in here. It's huge. You've got your water heater. You've got access. You also have parking out here if you need it, plus your 2 cars, right? So let's say you turn this into your home gym, maybe room for 1 car. Other side can be the gym, or you just keep it a traditional 2-car garage or storage. Whatever you need, you can do here, which is really nice. And then you have great access there. I want you to go upstairs. Take a look at these 2 bedrooms. They're massive. It's like 2 master suites. Plus, they have the nice bathroom with dual vanity. And then I'll meet you downstairs. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Magnolia Street, this amazing townhome here in the Pacific Gardens. So let's recap, right? What are you getting for this amazing price? 2 master bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, 1,132 square feet of this beautiful open space here. You've got the big kitchen, the breakfast bar, the living room that looks out to the green belt. But I get it, you want more, right? You've got an amazing clubhouse area with a gated pool. And that's the thing about this community is the quietness, the seclusion, but the community that's here, they really look out for each other, which is just a beautiful thing. I mean, there's 80 units in this tract, right? But it really feels a lot tighter than that. So let's say you want a little bit more though, right? We've got some of the best schools, steps from this property. You've got Anderson Elementary, Jordan Intermediate, Bolsa Grande High. I mean, these are all highly rated public schools. Of course, you've got the private sector as well if you really need to do that, but with these amazing schools, you don't have to. Access-wise, you've got entertainment, some of the best foodie spots. Rodeo 39 is right down the way, or Rodeo 39, however you like to pronounce it, right? They've got some amazing eateries in there, coffee houses, the whole bit. And then let's say you need a little bit more. Well, you're in the entertainment county of California, right? You've got Disneyland, California Adventure, Downtown Disney, bowling lanes. You've got Angel Stadium, the Honda Center, the Wolf Lodge. It's all here within a minute's drive. More importantly, you want to be by the beach? You're 15 minutes from some of Orange County's best beaches. And you have access to the 22 freeway, the 405, which can get you anywhere you need to go. The South Bay, LA, South OC, Inland Empire. You have that accessibility. And like I said before, this property is the perfect fit for those of you that are downsizing, maybe first-time home buyers, even investors, or people just trying to get into that equity position. This is it, and I'd love to show it to you. Call me or text me, and we'll get you in here before it's sold. 714-335-0844. Look forward to meeting you. Bye-bye.